Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fine. Today, I discuss the topic differential equation of wave motion. In previous lecture, relation between particle velocity and wave velocity. Consider a plane simple harmonic wave traveling through a medium along the x-axis. The wave equation is y equal to a sin omega t minus kx, where y is the displacement of a particle at the point x of medium, and small a, omega and k are respectively the amplitude, angular frequency and propagation constant of the wave. The particle velocity u at the point x is del y over del t, and u is del y over del t equal to a omega cos omega t minus kx. Now differentiate equation first. With respect to x, we get del y over del x equal to minus a k cos omega t minus kx. Again differentiation equation second, we get del square y over del t square equal to minus a omega square sin omega t minus kx. Again differentiating equation third, we get del square y over del x square equal to minus ak square sin omega t minus kx. Dividing equation 5 to 6, del square y over del t square upon del square y over del x square equal to omega square upon k square, and omega square upon k square is v square. Then del square y over del t square equal to v square del square y over del x square, and this equation represent the differential equation of wave motion and is also called classical wave equation. Now we discuss the topic principle of superposition of waves. When two or more waves travel simultaneously in the medium, the resultant displacement of any particle at any instant is equal to the vector sum of displacement of that particle corresponding to the separate waves at that instant, and this is known as principle of superposition of waves. The principle of superposition means many waves, each one moves independently as if the others were not present at all. Their individual shapes and other characteristics are not changed due to the presence of one another. For example, when we listen to an orchestra, we receive a complex sound due to the superposition of many sound waves of different characteristics produced by different musical instruments. Still, we recognize the separate sound of different instruments. Our radio antenna is open to the waves of different frequency transmitted by different radio stations. But when we adjust the radio to a particular station, we receive its program as if the other station were silent. This is the example of the principle of superposition of waves. Then derivation of the principle of superposition of waves means, suppose y1 is the displacement of a point x at time t due to a wave described by a function y1 x comma t. It must be a solution of the general differential equation of wave motion is del square y over del x square minus 1 upon v square del square y over del t square, and that is del square over del x square y1 xt is equal to 1 upon v square del square over del t square y1 xt. Similarly, let y2 be the displacement of the same point x at the same time t due to the another wave described by y2 xt. This must be a solution of the differential equation, that is del square over del x square y2 xt equal to 1 upon v square del square y del square over del t square y2 xt. Adding equation first and second, we get del square over del x square y1 xt plus y2 xt is equal to the 1 upon v square del square over del t square y1 xt plus y2 xt, where y xt is the sum of the two function and the equation is del square over del x square y xt equal to 1 upon v square del square over del t square. Equation third shows that the sum of two wave functions described by equation 4 also satisfy the general differential equation as such separate wave function does. Hence, yxt is the proper function to describe the displacement of the point x at time t. Equation 4 shows that the displacement y of the point x at the time t is equal to the sum of the displacement y1 and y2 of that point due to the separate waves at the same time. Limitations of superposition of waves. The principle of superposition of waves holds for those waves only whose equations are motion are linear, which obey the Hooke's law. Thus, it does not hold for shock waves and water waves. Phenomena arising from superposition of waves. The superposition of waves gives rise to various phenomena like interference of waves, beats, stationary or standing waves, and velocity of wave group. First is interference of waves. When two harmonic wave trains of the same frequency and having a constant phase relation travel simultaneously through a medium, the resultant wave intensity at any point is different from the sum of the intensities due to the separate wave trains. This is the phenomenon that the phase difference between the superposing waves and the resultant amplitude, hence intensity, may be greater or less than that of a single wave. There is a distribution of intensity in space and this distribution is known as interference pattern. Second is beats. The principle of superposition results in the another type of interference which call interference in time. When two wave trains of slightly different frequencies travel through the same region, the amplitude of the resultant wave at any point is not constant but varies in time. In case of sound waves, the varying amplitude gives rise to variation in loudness at the same position which are called beats. Third is stationary or standing waves. When two harmonic wave trains of the same frequency travel along the same line in opposite direction, their superposition gives a pattern having alternatively nodal points of zero displacement and antinodal points of maximum displacement. This is known as stationary wave patterns having no energy transmission. Fourth is velocity of wave groups. The principle of superposition is used to find the velocity of a group of waves, which is very important concept in quantum mechanics. Thank you.